I'm David Borla, and welcome to our FJ Cruiser video. Toyota made an instant classic here, which is really no surprise because the design of the FJ was inspired by one of the most classic off-road vehicles ever made, the FJ40 Toyota Land Cruiser. The short wheelbase, stocky frame, near vertical windshield, the iconic grille and headlights all came from the FJ40. And when you combine all that history and this timeless design and the proven engineering and technology that has made this vehicle a highly respected off-road machine, you get a truly exciting driving experience. Our job at Borla is to make it even more exciting. Earlier today, we replaced the stock exhaust with Borla's catback system. As with all Borla exhaust kits, our computer-controlled manufacturing process ensures a perfect fit and a simple bolt-on installation. The bottom line is, we make it as easy as possible for you to start enjoying your new Borla exhaust right away. Our catback exhaust for the FJ incorporates a lot of the same patented technology featured in Borla's off-road racing systems. A Borla exhaust increases the flow of gases from the engine, allowing them to evacuate the cylinders faster and more efficiently. The result is more power, more torque, and better fuel economy at cruising speeds. On top of the improved performance, Borla's system also upgrades the FJ's appearance by replacing the single tip exit with dual tips that are beefier than stock. And of course, you also get that classic Borla sound. You know, I can't help but smile when I drive an FJ. It belongs to a very small club of highly capable, off-road ready vehicles that were designed with a lot of character and personality. It's really a lot of fun to drive. Like everything we build at Borla, our FJ system is made with pride in the USA, with 300 series austenitic stainless steel that will never rust, and it's guaranteed for 1,000,000 miles. For more information on Borla's exhaust and induction products, check out Borla.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to see our next video. Thanks for watching, and hey, try to keep the rubber side down out there.